Finally, it's back. The Clean Show. After 3 long years, probably the 3 years with the most change that our industry has ever seen. Finally, Clean Show 2025, August 23rd to 26th in Orlando, Florida. The largest exhibit, the largest event in the world for the textile and garment care industry, and by extension, the largest event for the laundromat industry ever. And so at CLA, we're proud to be one of the 5 co-sponsoring associations, and we're going to be taking a headlining role at the show once again this year. We got a ton of things going on to share with you, and I'm going to do my best to give you a quick preview of all the things that we've got going on. But step one, you got to register. So cleanshow.com is a place to register, but here's a tip for you CLA members. Start at laundryassociation.org, go to our Clean Show resource page, and there's a special link just for CLA members to get a discounted registration to the show, one of many specials and discounts and extra privileges for being a CLA member at the Clean Show. So step one, register. Step two, take a look at all the add-ons, all the extras that you can take advantage of. One of the really cool ideas that we've come up with for this year is a laundromat tour. So on the day before the show, on Friday, the 22nd of August, we're going to load up on buses. We're going to go around Orlando and see the very latest and greatest laundromats. Do this as a group. We're going to be able to look under the hood, tour around, talk shop, see some of the finest laundromats, and it's always a great time. And we all know the best information is going to get shared on the bus, right? As you sit with your peers and talk about what you've seen. It's just going to be a great opportunity. Definitely a limited event. We've got only so many buses we were able to scrape together. So go to laundryassociation.org, buy your tickets, and get that travel plan together for the laundromat tour. You know that as the preeminent resource for the laundromat industry, CLA is all about education, and we've got hours and hours and hours of education at the show, both in the mornings and in the afternoons. Over the course of the show, we've got at least 10 or 12 hours as I count up for education, and I see topics like the top trends in the industry. I see topics like growing your delivery business. I see things like flip my laundromat, remodel projects that we're going to be bringing to you. We're going to be hearing from multi-generation laundromat owners, hearing what they're learning from each other across, and many, many more topics. So again, the full schedule is at laundryassociation.org. Take a peek now so you can set up your travel so you don't miss any of those sessions. If we're known for one thing at CLA when it comes to Clean Show, it's our party. And yes, our party is back. We had, 650 or so of you that joined us at the aquarium in Atlanta 3 years ago. And this year we're going to be at the Rosen Center, the hotel that's attached to the convention center, which is CLA's headquarters, for our CLA member reception. And we're going to have food and drink and entertainment and the best laundry talk and really a memorable experience. So again, limited tickets, go to laundryassociation.org. Make sure you can join us for our dinner party. That's on the second evening of the show, which is the 24th. Our Women's Laundry Network really got a great start at the show 3 years ago and has just done nothing but amaze us since. And so the Women's Laundry Network is an invaluable resource, an amazing cohort of women that are disrupting the laundromat industry. So a couple things going on. On day 2 of the show, there'll be a lunch and learn for the Women's Laundry Network, a ticketed event, and it will feature lots of camaraderie and networking, but also a special speaker. We're going to be hearing from Wendy Borlabi, who is the sports psychologist for the Chicago Bulls. How cool is that? That's going to be a great, great session on day 2. And the engagement with the Women's Laundry Network continues on evening 3 of the show with a Women's Laundry Network happy hour. So wine, cheese, camaraderie, and spending a lot of time with your peers in the business. So go to laundryassociation.org, get your tickets for both events, and don't miss this opportunity to be part of the Women's Laundry Network. Our beloved Laundry Cares Foundation will also have a big presence at the Clean Show this year, starting on that laundromat tour. One of the locations is going to be featuring a free laundry and literacy day in progress. So not only will you get off the bus, tour a great store, but also see with your own eyes the impact that laundromat owners who are focused on community can have. And so you'll be there to see a free laundry and literacy day in progress. But then also on the first day of the show, on Saturday the 23rd, there's going to be a lunch and learn just for the Laundry Cares Foundation. So again, ticketed event. You're not going to want to miss out on the information, the inspiration from getting together with your peers that are focused on giving back to communities through the Laundry Cares Foundation. So I'm going to run out of air before I get through all the activities, but simply put, the Clean Show is a can't miss. The next show is not until the summer of 2027, so you have to come to the show this year and don't miss it. Great resources. Go to laundryassociation.org for all the details about the CLA experience at Clean 2025. And I also want to take this moment to recognize all of our Strategic Corporate Ally Elite sponsors, because they are the headline sponsors, the title sponsors for this year's show, helping us bring all this incredible resources to you. And so I'd like to thank our friends at Alliance Laundry Systems. Like to thank Sense. Like to thank our friends at Dexter Laundry. Like to thank our friends at Eastern Funding. Also, Gerbau North America is one of our elite sponsors this year. And Standard Changemakers has recently joined the lineup as an elite Strategic Corporate Ally partner. So thanks to all those companies. Don't miss the Clean Show. We'll see you in Orlando.